Hey there. So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. The issue lies in the ambiguity that arises when trying to pass a C-array argument to different function overloads, one taking a pointer and the other taking a reference to the C-array. This ambiguity occurs due to pointer decay in C-arrays, making it challenging for the compiler to choose the correct function overload. Now, on to the solution to this problem. By utilizing a dispatcher function with if constexpr conditions based on std is _array, we can disambiguate the two situations. This approach involves creating a template function foo that checks whether the argument is an array or not using std is _array. Then, it forwards the argument to the appropriate function overload foin or foiner. Continuing with the solution, we can use template specialization with std. Enable _if to define separate foo functions for array and non-array arguments. By utilizing this technique, we can ensure that the correct function overload is selected based on the type of the argument passed to foo. In summary, we successfully resolve the ambiguity issue by implementing a dispatcher function that leverages if constexpr and std is _array to differentiate between passing a C-array argument by pointer or by reference. This solution allows us to handle both scenarios effectively and ensure the correct function overload is invoked. And with that, we've tackled the problem at hand with a smart and efficient solution. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next video.